What's up everybody, it's your humble host Picaso here. I got an unboxing for you guys. I hope you enjoy. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Stick around till the end. We have the charging cradle here with a whopping 3000 milliamp hour battery. Now that is really awesome. And each earbud, it's a 60 milliamp hour battery within them, and it is Bluetooth 5.0. I mean, at this price, 65 bucks, it basically has a smartphone battery in the charging case. Awesome. Removing the earbuds from the charging case automatically connects it to your device once paired, and putting them back into the charging case powers them off and immediately starts charging. So guys, the Monja True Wireless Earbuds, definitely worth the buck because it brings the bang. Now these little things are very awesome. I'm actually very surprised at how much I really like it, but let's get down to the basics. Two truly wireless earbuds. Once taken out of the charging case, they automatically connect to each other at about a 4 to 5 second interval there, and it's as normal. You go into your device, you go under Bluetooth connections and connect them, and that's it. And I mean, honestly, for the price, I think it's around something like 65 bucks on Amazon. I'll throw the link down in the description. These headphones are amazing. The bass on these are amazing. They have fully replaced my Samsung level on ear headphones. The bass on that was sick, but these headphones, the bass is just ridiculous. I'm very surprised. It's my new favorite toy. It's gonna be here a lot. I'm definitely feeling these. This is definitely a 10 out of 10, 100 out of 100 score. That charging case also has smart charging, that it passes charge to other devices. Definitely a thumbs up. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you like it, let me know. I'll see you in the next one. Here's a picture of how they look in your ears. Very discreet. As always, I'm your humble host Picasso. I'll see you in the next one, guys. It's a short video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.